Which YouTube TV plan has the most sales? YouTube TV offers a base plan and optional add-ons to cater to different needs. The base plan accounts for the majority of sales because it provides the essential features and channels that appeal to a broad audience. Here's a breakdown. 1. Base plan. Most sales. Price, $72.99 per month. Features, over 100 plus live TV channels, including major networks, ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, Sports, ESPN, FS1, News, CNN, MSNBC, and Entertainment, TNT, HGTV. Unlimited Cloud DVR storage, up to 6 profiles per household, 3 simultaneous streams. Why it's popular, affordable compared to traditional cable TV. Includes a comprehensive channel lineup that caters to most viewers. Second, add-ons, additional sales boosters. These add-ons enhance the YouTube TV experience, but are secondary to the base plan in sales volume. 4K plus add-on. Price, $19.99 per month. Features, 4K Ultra HD streaming where available. Offline downloads for DVR recordings. Unlimited simultaneous streams on the same home network. Popular among viewers with 4K TVs and high-speed internet. Third, family and group sales. Families often find value in the base plan due to its ability to support 6 profiles and 3 streams simultaneously. Small groups sharing a subscription contribute significantly to the base plan's sales dominance.